Hi, I'm Brian, and welcome to this Futudent installation video. Firstly, congratulations on your purchase of your new Futudent camera. In this video, I'd like to show you how easy it is to connect your Futudent camera with your operatory light. In your package, you will have received your camera, whether it's your EduCam, ProCam, or Microcam, and also an installation kit, which contains all the components needed to affix your camera easily to your chair light for stable filming. Inside your installation kit, you have a number of connectors which allow you to run your cable cleanly along the arm of your pole. You also have a 5-meter camera cable which will connect your camera along to your computer, and an extension cable to complete the connection if it's needed. You'll notice that there's different attachments for different surfaces, whether curved or smooth, and also for the different cables. The camera cable has a narrow diameter, and the extension cable is somewhat thicker. Okay, so now you're ready to connect your camera and cable to your light. Begin by taking the sleeve adapter for the camera's ball joint. Simply remove the wax back and affix this to your light head. Now, depending on your light, there's a lot of different form factors out there. You can put it on the top of the light, the bottom, even the sides, but ideally you want to get it as close to the center as you can. I'm going to put mine right here. There's a nice spot for it in the center of this light. So all of our connectors come with 3M tape on the back, so they're easy to affix to any form or shape. Then you want to continue by running your cable connectors along the pole. Remove your wax back. This is a flat surface, so I'm using my flat surface connector for this spot here. And just behind it, the pole is curved, so I'll use my curved connector, like so. I'll continue running these as needed along my pole to the end of my chair. At that point, I can use my extension cable and run it either through the floor or sometimes even through the ceiling and over to the operatory computer to complete the connection. Now that all your cable clips are connected to the pole, simply run your cable and make sure to leave just enough slack to allow for the rotation of the light head, like so. Then take your camera with its ball joint attachment and slot it into the sleeve like this, and finish your connection by putting the USB into the camera head. Now your camera's set up and you're ready to start focusing and filming. Begin by opening up the Futudent software to the preview mode so you can see what the camera is seeing. Next, adjust your light so that it's at your comfortable working distance, where you usually have it when you work with your patients. Then, adjust the camera so that it is focused directly in the center of the field of view of your light. And finally, do a fine adjustment on the focus so that you bring everything in the area you want to film in good focus. Once this is set up, you don't need to touch the camera anymore. If you want to do a fine adjustment on the focus itself, we recommend you simply move your light slightly rather than twisting the knob. Typically, when you're working with your patients, you're gloved up and you don't want to be touching things if you can avoid it. And this isn't necessary. Now that you're set up, you can start by taking your first picture by just tapping on the pedal.